Hi, I'm Marty Rothwell, and welcome to fall semester of Systems 101. As you may know, this class is going to be totally online, and even better, it's going to be totally asynchronous, which means you don't even have to log in on Tuesdays and Thursdays. All the lessons will be already ready to go for you anytime you want to take them. So that'll be nice for you, convenient for you. So let's go through how we're going to go through this course. First off, when you log on to, everything is on Blackboard. So when you log on to Blackboard, you'll get to our home page. If you want, there's our syllabus, but take the syllabus with a grain of salt because again, since we're online, we'll just have to see how things go. The syllabus will give you the main outline of things we're going to cover, but how we cover them and when we cover them will be kind of, we take it as we go. Anyway, so when you log in, you're going to want to go to course content first. And when you go, you'll see that week's lessons. So here's our first one, week 1, what is systems engineering? Click on it, and there's 2 lessons in there. The first one's what is a systems engineer. If you download that, I already have it, you get this one. Now, normally I will be talking in my PowerPoints. These first 2 I didn't because, again, they're very generic. And actually, if you'll notice, I have my notes here, and I would have simply been talking off my notes. So I didn't see that big of a reason to put it in audio. Anyway, so go through this. It'll tell you the objectives of the class. Here's my email. We will not buy any textbooks, but you will be buying something called an Arduino board. What's an Arduino board? Arduino board looks like this. You may have your own, and if you do, that's fine, but it may or may not have all the things that we're going to have in our kit. Our kit will look like this. Now, it'll actually come in a bag, but it has all kinds of parts in it. And when you start assembling the parts, you actually want to, I would highly suggest that you get a carton of some sort so that you can put all this stuff in. Because when you start building it, then it's hard to put it back into the bag without things getting crushed. So I highly recommend down the road you get a carton of some sort. This was a ham sandwich, ham thing. So I just ate the ham, got a free box. Anyway, so there's that. You're going to be using your Arduino kit. I believe it's still around $75. So, I think that's the cost. You're going to be using this Arduino kit for 101. If you continue with systems engineering, you're going to see me again at Systems 395. And again, you'll be using the same Arduino kit. So save the kit. And you probably will be using it even for your senior design project. Okay, so once you buy the kit, it's $75, but you get 3 classrooms use out of it. So good bargain. So anyway, there's that. You also we will be using a program called Core. Core is a systems engineering software package. You get it free. We'll probably start off with using Core so that we learn how to do systems engineering, and we'll work through some projects with Core, and so it'll give you a good taste of how systems engineers work and what is the process for work, going through a project. What do systems engineers do when they are working on a project? And Core will help us with that. Okay, so again, I want you to go through these lessons. I'm going to decrease this. So when you finish with that, then you can go to your next lesson, which is what is the system. Notice this one says, when you have finished reviewing this, go to the assignment section and take the What is a Systems quiz. So let's go over to assignments. And lo and behold, there's the quiz. So when you have done both assignments, then you can take this quiz. Notice that it says be sure to read the notes of the PowerPoints as well as the main section. Some of the questions in here refer to the notes, so make sure you go through the notes as well as the lesson itself. Okay, and that's pretty much how each week's going to go. Okay, next week you're going to go here and you'll see week 2, and then you click on that, do those assignments, and turn in the assignments here in the assignment section. Sometimes the assignment will be a quiz, sometimes it'll be a paper that you write. Oftentimes it will be your core database that you turn in. When we start doing Arduinos, you'll probably be sending me a short video of your Arduino project doing whatever the lesson said to do. So again, there's the general gist of how the class is going to work. I think we're going to have a good time. I think you're going to enjoy it. If you have any questions, email me at mrothwell@gmu.edu. I'll be happy to answer any question you have. Looking forward to meeting you all online as best we can and go from there. All right. So looking forward to having a good semester with you. Bye-bye.